Hello friends, today we're going to prepare Kachalu fruit chaat. First of all, boil potato and Kachalu, which is Taro root. Check by inserting knife or pin if it's boiled completely. I did it in an instant pot for 4 minutes, pressure cook on high. Secondly, peel and cut your favorite fruits with potatoes and Kachalu. I've taken guava, banana and apple, Kachalu and potatoes. Then take black salt or pink salt, black pepper, red chili flakes, roasted cumin seeds, green coriander chopped, and 1 tablespoon tamarind pulp. You can also add green chili if you want. Now add all the fruits and potatoes in the bowl with other condiments and mix it well. I had added chaat masala later. This is a very tasty dish and is one of my mother's signature dish, and I love this. Now we have prepared the Kachalu fruit chaat. Serve it now and enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye. Please subscribe.